especially when they're doing it by themselves and they like, you know, set it up here and then they go. And then they'll have to like go back
and get it
and turn it off. And, like, I mean, it seems like so much fucking work. What's up, everybody? Zach Parks here, and thanks for tuning back in. Today's video was a fun one. The day after election day, so November 4th, Hillary and I were just, you know, a little stressed out. A lot weighing on our minds with everything going on. We just decided to hop in the car and head up to the mountains, just, you know, zone out, enjoy what the earth has to offer, and, you know, clear our heads for a little bit. And I'm super glad that we did. It was a beautiful day. The weather was just like absolutely perfect. Temperature was nice. Like everything was just solid. So we got on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and we headed up to Sam's Knob, which is very close. The trailhead is like just across from Black Balsam Knob, which if you follow the channel, I did a video hiking Black Balsam Knob and shooting some film a few weeks ago. I don't really remember when it was. Today's video is just Hillary and I hiking Sam's Knob. I had the Mamiya 645 with me. I had a roll of Portra 160 loaded in that. I also had a roll of Ultramax 400 that was about halfway finished in the XA2. So of course I snapped a few photos with that. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get to the fun stuff. Super muddy. There it is.
breathing out of where shit gets real. This looks fun.
So at this point, we had climbed up the knob, which is on paper doesn't sound like a lot, but in action, I'm out of shape. I'm working on that, but you climb like right under 500 feet in like a quarter mile. I mean, it's pretty intense, especially if you're as out of shape as I am at the moment. but it's so rewarding. You're hiking through like the thick brush and everything, which is common around here in the Blue Ridge Mountains and all that. So you're just hiking through all that. There's a lot of limbs. There's a lot of greenery. There's just a lot around you. And then all of a sudden you get to the summit and it just opens up to these amazing like 360-degree views of the mountaintops, and it was beautiful and well worth it. We got to the top. Just kind of played around, had some fun. Decided to, just hang out there and wait on sunset. We were in golden hour by this time, so check it out. At this point, the sun was going down. It was I was getting to the point where I was about to go behind the mountains, and I realized I forgot to bring my headlamps. So we made the decision to I had like 4 shots left on the roll that I was saving for sunset, but I just decided to go ahead and fire them off and get the mountains that still had like a little bit of light shining on them and everything. I mean, there wasn't a bad photo opt up there, so it wasn't a terrible decision. But we decided to do that. That way we could pack up and just get back on the trail and hopefully make it back to the car before it got like too dark. Funny enough, before I show you this last little bit of footage. So as soon as I took the last photo, I was in a hurry. I'm trying to get everything packed up, and my Pentax, the spot meter, fell out of my pocket, and I was standing on like just this mountain peak, just like standing on this rock face. It was pretty much just a straight drop down the mountain. So my heart just like sank. I thought the meter was gone, and luckily I heard it hit the ground, so I knew it was somewhere close by. And I couldn't find it for anything. 4 eyes here. I could not see it. Hillary jumped in and found it like super fast, so we were able to throw everything in the bag and just hike back to the car. It was far too dark to really do any more recording or anything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this last little bit here. This is just a short little clip of yeah, sunset on Sam's Knob, and the last few photos from that roll of film. Okay, y'all. That's gonna do it for this week's video. Appreciate all of the support, and you guys just constantly tuning in and checking everything out. Thanks for thanks for everything. This has been a very trying week for all of us. I'm sure. Still, still just sitting here refreshing the polling pages, on my computer and my phone, just like constantly. But I don't want to speak too soon, but I am feeling pretty optimistic about this election, and I hope come next year we are making a step in the appropriate direction to get moving forward and trying to make things better for everybody. So yeah, as always, if you like the video, you like the photos, please chime in down in the comments, let me know. Give it the good old thumbs up. That always helps. If you're new here and you like it, you can hit that subscribe button. That's cool too. Just don't forget to check me out over on Instagram at Zach Parks Photo. I have a print shop and like all that good stuff. As usual, it will all be linked down below. And let's hope we come out on the good side of this one, folks. And until next time, y'all just take it easy. Stay safe out there. Keep shooting and, keep your chin up. I firmly believe we're going to get through this shit. And I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.